Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're in tune with Nabu the Ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. Hi, I am going to talk about today personal credit. I got a text message from somebody who wants to know about personal credit. I was supposed to make this video yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't make it yesterday. I was just too busy, but I'm going to make it today. I want to let you know the first things first. You need to pull your credit. You can go to free annualcreditreport.com and they'll give you a free copy of your credit report, and you can do that every year. You can get a free report, or you can go to TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, all those guys. They will give you a free credit report. Or you can go to Credit Check Total. That's credit, CHREDIT, check, CHECK, total, TOTAL.com, and I'll put all these links in the description. You can go to creditchecktotal.com, pay them $1. They'll give you all three of your credit reports, okay? Or you can go to Identity IQ, and I'll put that link in as well, and you can get all three of your credit reports, okay? First thing, you need to make sure that you pull your credit report, because that's your starting point. That's your foundation of what you're going to be working towards and working with to start working on your credit. So we need to know what's the foundation. What are we starting from? Are you starting with a foundation of hay? Are you starting with bricks? Are you starting with mortar? Whatever. We need to know what the foundation of the credit is so we can move forward in repairing the credit. That's the first step in credit repair. The second step would be to review the credit report. Okay, look at the delinquent accounts. Look at your collection accounts. Look at everything negative on there. You need to look at and dispute those. Disputing those accounts would be like, hey, you say, oh, this is wrong. I never had a late payment, or I paid this account. Why is this in collection? So you can dispute that. The next thing you can do, what I like you to do, is make sure you look at the addresses on your accounts, on your credit report. A lot of times, let's put on your current address, because a lot of times when you have your old address on the account, on the credit reports, and they have all the lists of all the times that you, wherever you live, then those are connected to your other accounts, meaning your delinquent accounts, your bankruptcies, this and that, and it's hard to dispute those things, okay? So I need you to dispute those addresses. Have them remove your addresses from there, okay? The next step I want you to do in the credit repair is just following any of the steps that if anything is delinquent on those accounts, anything is collection, we want to get those things removed. Now, you can remove those yourself. I have a do-it-yourself packet, which is $50. If you pull your credit report and you send me that report, you can DM me or send it to nabutheruler@gmail.com, or you can send it to DM it to Nabu on Instagram, Nabu the Ruler, and I will review that. If you send me the $50, you could do it through PayPal, or I'll set up an account. Usually I will set up the PayPal account. You can send it to me, $50, and I will give you all the letters that you need to dispute the account, the first round of disputes. So it should only take about 3 or 4 rounds, depending on who we're dealing with. But I will send that to you, and you can I'm going to send those letters back to you. You print those letters out and send those letters certified mail. This way, I don't have to have your social security number. I don't have to do anything. You can also buy I have an ebook that you can buy for business credit. I also have an ebook for personal credit. But by paying the $50 or whatever, I can send you the letters. You can send those letters certified mail, and we can go from there. Okay, so those are some of the steps. If you want to do it yourself without my letters, that's fine. All you have to do is look at the negative information. You want to dispute every negative thing on your account, okay? So those are the first steps to building business credit. So once you take that information and renew and dispute, and they start to delete and remove those inquiries on your account. Inquiries is where somebody has pulled your credit. Some place like car dealerships and things like that. Never go to a car dealership to get a car. To finance a car. Never go to a car dealership. Okay, these things are some of the things that you need to know. Okay, so those are some of the starting points. So this is just to get you started. Okay, I'm giving out free information. You don't have to pay me to give you this information, but you have to, if you want me to hire me to write your letters and things like that, it costs $50. Okay, that's nothing. Anybody can come up with $50 for that first round of letters, but make sure you pull your credit check total, identity IQ, annual free annual credit report.com. Okay, do that, and then you're off to a great start. I'm going to talk about in another video, don't pay collection agencies, and I just want you to get a starting point right now. So if you have any questions, put them in the comment below. If you like this video, please give me a like, and please subscribe and tell people about this. This is free information that I'm giving you, and it's good information. So subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I'm just going to teach all of my rulers. You are my rulers, and we rule with greatness.